Hey everybody, it's Casey from Broke Neck Adventures. Me and Hank are out on another forest run. He's just having a nice little trot. He's very happy. All them good fresh forest smells, critters everywhere, all that good stuff. Oh. Well, anyhow. He must have caught a scent of something. He had to go investigate. I don't know where he went. I'm sure he's... There's the Hank dog. Can you make it up, Hank? You gonna be able to make it up? Try this way. Right here. Here you go. Yeah, something's been trucking through there. He's on a trail. That's a main trail. That's a critter trail right there. So yeah, life of a basset hound. He does like his fresh scents. And we are out in the bush. He's often there. My guess is this is probably a deer run. It could be hogs. Either or. And goes right up through there. But he definitely smells something. Check you all later.